Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we are unboxing and giving away one of the products from the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of October to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of October, it is the Tatcha Denona Anya palette. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. This is a $48 palette, full-size palette. I love working with the Tatcha Denona formula. Got it on my eyes today. This palette is what I'm used today. Love it. Like I said, this is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed to the channel. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have three different levels. Their Glam bag, their Plus, and their X. The X comes out quarterly. It's usually in conjunction with a celebrity. The next one is in conjunction with Huda Kattan from Huda Beauty. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. I'll leave that code in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. Obviously, no obligation to do so. It saves you a little bit of money and it gives me some extra bonus points if I want to do any of their add-ons. So let's open her up. Like I said, I haven't even opened this guy yet, so I don't know what's in here. I do have a cute little bag. The lips, minus the fangs, kind of reminds me of the Rolling Stones. Just me, maybe I'm just old school like that. And then it has a card and all your products are inside. Just a black interior. I do love the little pull handle. Kind of is this green, almost looks like a lipstick. Cute. It does say Pretty Wicked on here. Fangs out, lipstick on. This month, embrace the unconventional vampy lips with shadows pitch black manis and you might want some more. No tricks, just treats. Dig into your 5 new Glam bag products valued at over $50. Granted, most of these are samples, so take that what you want. The Glam bag is mainly sample size. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full size. I believe there is a full size product in here for today. First item was my pick. And I love me some Tatcha. This is the Dewy Skin Cream. True to its name, the luxurious cream majorly ups your skin's dew factor. It's ideal for dry, dull skin that is in need of big moisture boost. It uses ceramides to help reinforce your skin's barrier, algae extract to help draw in moisture, and Japanese purple rice to give your skin a major glow. Tip, pop this cream in your fridge. It feels extra refreshing and calms puffiness when you apply. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $68. And it looks like this, a really light kind of lavender shade. This on the hand. Let's just rub. It feels so good. It's not watery or anything. Oh, I love how that feels. Love it. From Tony, Moly is the Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. Yes, please, I love retinol eye creams. Lightweight yet super potent. This eye cream uses retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging ingredient, and pumpkin extract. It's high in vitamin and antioxidants. Helps smooth and firm your eye areas. Tip, use on a ring finger and gently tap under your eyes. Always use a ring finger when using eye cream. Your ring finger applies the less amount of pressure to it. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size just retail for $25. It's not bad for retinol eye cream underneath the eyes. Here is a full-size product. It is the Perfect Canvas. Actually, there's two full-size products in here. This is the M2O NYC Eye Primer in Nude. It's the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow. The 2-in-1 formula grips wherever you layer on top for a flawless all-day wear and enhances the vibrancy of the pigments in your shadows, whether they're cream or powder, and they look bolder and brighter too. Tip: swipe on the lids using an applicator and blend. Let dry for a minute, then apply the shadow. This is a full size, does retail for $8. And sometimes they put items that wouldn't fit in the bag. Here we have from Farrah Brushes. I really like Farrah Brushes. So not only is the flat brush an essential for applying and blending your favorite concealers like a total pro, it displays worthy too. We can't get enough of the chic rose gold handle, and by the way, it makes your skin look. Plus it's vegan and cruelty free. Tip: be sure to give your brushes a deep cleanse once a week using mild soap and warm water. I clean my brushes after every time that I use them. It's really, really soft. Love that. From Chasing Rabbits is a Mindful Bubble Cleanse. You know the tight, dry feeling your skin gets when you post-wash. This gentle cleanser leaves your face feeling like the opposite. It's made with mineral and nutrient-rich bamboo water to moisturize and help balance the skin while you wash away makeup, buildup, and excess oils. Tip: massage into the skin using gentle circular motions and then rinse using lukewarm water. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $23. Let's do this one as our giveaway for today. Secret word: bubble. In the description box down below is a Google form link. So what do you guys think of this box? Let me know. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. It was an okay one. It's not my favorite. It's not my worst. It was just kind of okay. What did you guys think? Let me know. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Put on it that secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, you are subscribed to the channel. You can get extra bonus entries. You can follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same, BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And you can share this video. That'll get you an extra bonus entry. So there's 3 extra bonus entries right there. If you do mark on the Google form that you did do those bonus entries, make sure that you did do them because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through November 12th and midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on November 17th, I'll put all the names in. So I'll put the first name, first initial of their last name from the Google Forms, and then if you have bonus entries, and I have checked those, and if you have them, I'll put them into our little wheel of names, and the computer will spin. It picks the winner. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and mail out those prizes. I will, at that time, delete all the Google Forms. Nobody else has access to your information but me. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I would greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck on the giveaway.